Hello everyone, I am Gunandan WRD. My IT number is IT 2013-0770. Our web application based on Institute Management System. There are mainly four components in our web application, which are user management, block management, feedback management, and course management. Let's move to the that I fix in vulnerabilities in our application. In backend part, in the model. In the admin and student model, I validate the inputs like this. In admin name should be less than 50 characters, and email like that validate pattern. In password should be more than 6 characters, and nick number should be more than 20 characters, and phone numbers should be less than 10 characters. In student model also same as like this. In the route also I validate the inputs using to prevent cross-site scripting using DOM Purify package in like like this. This is the code for preventing cross-site scripting using DOM Purify. Let's check backend from the Postman. When someone try to add an email without at sign or something, it should be showing like the invalid email address, and the when try to add empty value, it shows it don't already exist. When goes to the front end, in the front end user part, in sign up, in the I use the form validations, sanitizing validations and sanitizing in when and also I use the cross-site scripting for the prevent DOM Purify for the preventing cross-site scripting. When someone adding script like this, and password. When click the submit button, it shows please enter valid inputs, and when all these fields are required, should be fill out these all the fields, and when add email like should please include an add character in email address. Likewise, all the fields are validated from validation and sanitization, and uh, prevent the cross-site scripting also. In the sign in also, I prevent the cross-site scripting using DOM Purify. When someone try to add like this script, it shows the please enter valid inputs, and when you enter the valid input, login failed. When the password is incorrect, it shows the login failed and please try again, like that. In admin part also I validating this form with validation and citation and cross-site scripting. And in the backend, I in the when user use the password, it's storing in the DB as a decrypt. Likewise, its password is decrypt by bcrypt password hash. Hashing password is with bcrypt. It shows like this, and in the and also I protection of sensitive data in the env file, like in storing like that MongoDB URL and Google login credentials and client secret and client ID likewise. And let's move to OAuth in our web application. In user, there is a option for sign in with Google for student. Only student can log in with Google. When click this sign in with Google button, it shows the email addresses in there, and click someone. It's redirect to our courses page likewise, and user can go to our web application and can go through our all the functions. That's all from my side. Next, I invite to continue our presentation to this Rajapaksha to continue our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Randima. I'm Imai Rajpaksha. My ID number is IT20103118. So I'll move on to the vulnerabilities where I have fixed in the incident management system. So I have installed Mongo Sanitize, Express Mongo Sanitize, and XSS Clean for preventing SS cross-site scripting. So let's see how it works using the Postman. Here, when you are creating a post, when we are adding a script in the title, then we'll see how it's in. So as we use XSS Clean package, here the special characters have been replaced by other characters. So XS is can't happen in the code. And then we'll look into NoSQL injection, another vulnerability. Here, when the user is updating a block, instead of the block ID, they can use queries to delete the whole database or do whatever vulnerabilities. So we'll add a query like this. So here it is disabled to go through like these URLs. Here it is blocked due to NoSQL injection, and also we'll go to the front end. Here, when a user is creating a blog, in the front end, these front end validations are done using DOM Purify package. All the input fields are sanitized before Here it says that please enter input valid inputs. Stop करा. That's all about my part. So I would like to invite Disha Naik to continue the presentation.
Thank you, Rajpaksha. So I'm doing the feedback section in this web app. So in here, I have added validations to the input field. So in the ratings, the enum is in between 1 and 5, and it is allowed to use 1, 1.5, and 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, and 5. So in the comments, the user is only allows to use only 100 characters. So in the adding ratings in here, I have added I have sanitized the comment using the Tom Purify dependencies. So in here, the comment will be sanitized and will be take it as a valid input. So in the update part also, I have sanitized the comment part as well. So as you can see here, the comment has been sanitized using Tom Purify dependency. So user is only allowed to use the sanitized comments into the inputs. So in here, when user logged into the system, users can add feedbacks to the relevant causes. If user tries to enter some script like this, user will not be allowed to enter that, and it will be that is what it called as a sanitized comment. And if user tries to edit their own comments, even though user have to enter the valid comment. And so that's all about my part. I would like to invite Jaisingh SS to continue the presentation.
Thank you, Disha Naik. I am Jaisingh SS. My IT number is IT 2011 76 and 96. My part is course management. This I also use the validation, course name, course code, subtitles, lecture name, and description. In this year, this is route. I also use the DOM Purify to sanitize the inputs. This here. And also I use the handle error to a web application to ensure that errors are properly handled. This is front-end code. I also use the input validation in here. And user enter the scripting value. This block the front end and not send the database. in this here, user cannot edit the enter the scripting value. In this here also cannot send the database. This is the front end. User cannot add the scripting. The error message in display. And I also use the and my last prevent the vulnerability is brute force protection. The user cannot send the many request at the same time. Site is also block cannot not the display the data. Is here cannot the get data. My part is over. Thank you so much.